Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be creating this eye look and I'm going to be doing it all using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. As you can see, mine is like very grubby. I use it all the time and you can create so many different looks from it, but I thought I would start off doing one that is more like neutral, like an easy go-to one. I don't even have any liner or anything on with this. If you want to see how I achieve this look, you can keep on watching. So the first colour I'm taking is quite like a light neutral colour. And I'm going to use, this is a new MAC 224S, which stands for synthetic. I'm really on the fence about this brush. I have the old 224 which used to be big and fluffy, but this one is like such a dome shape and it's very dense now. I'm not sure if I love it or not, but I'm going to start building that colour up in the crease anyway. Next, on a Zoeva 224, I'm going to sort of take the deeper version of that colour in the palette. Unfortunately, I didn't get one of the palettes that have all the names of the colours with them, so we're just going to wing it and sort of like describe them as we go along. And obviously I put in my videos the I show you which colour it is that I'm using, so just deepen that up. These Zoeva 224 brushes are amazing for just doing crease work. I bought two and I haven't done any eye looks without them recently. I'm just going to very lightly blend that out. Like, oh my god, this is so horrible, this brush. Don't like it. So I'm taking my other Zoeva 224 warm tone brown and I'm just going to start focusing that more right into and just above my crease, as you know the crack, the little hooded lids, the little foldies. If you can hear anything, that's my wee boy downstairs. He is like not wise, he's watching something to do with Minecraft. Any parents will know Minecraft like takes over your house. It is not good. So I'm just going back in with my previous brush just to sort of start blending that out. I'm just taking a wee small fine fluffy brush and this top white colour, which is in my opinion quite similar to MAC Nylon and very well loved, as you see. And I'm just going to pop that in at the arch and blend it down and slightly forward. I never sort of like do this part of the eye. I just think it's nice just to sort of highlight at the arch. Then taking this dark brown pigmented colour, I've already sprayed my flat brush with a wee bit of Fix Plus and I'm just going to start packing that onto the lid. Like I said at the start of the video, it's nothing too technical. There's no liner, there's no like cut creases. It's just a really easy go-to look out of this palette. So say like you're travelling and you just want to bring one eyeshadow palette with you and you need a quick look to get ready. Like if you're on holidays or anything, this would be perfect. So with my brush, I'm actually carving out that like sort of like half moon shape over. And then go back in with my deepest crease colour. I'm just going to soften that slightly, just so like we don't have any harsh lines. We want this to be nice and smoky, but like nothing too structured looking. Next, for my lower lash line, I'm going to take this Rimmel Hydrate liner and it is in the shade Rich Brown. I don't think there's ever anything nice about doing that. I'm taking this lovely like burnt orange colour. I'm using a wee brush that's out of the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I just love these wee ends for in under the eyes. I think they're just perfect. I actually ordered the Soft Glam palette. I am waiting on it being delivered. It was dispatched yesterday, so I'm hoping it would be here maybe tomorrow or Thursday. I also just got Louise palette. Ooh, I'm so excited. I haven't done any looks with it either because I had planned on doing this Morphe Jaclyn Hill look, so it's sort of like I have to like at least hold it. I'm now taking a bit of this dark brown colour and it's a very small fine wee brush from MSQ. These brushes are like $3.50 for 6 on eBay. Now they're not like the best quality brushes, definitely not. You wouldn't even say they were like Zoeva brushes, they're not even half. But for the price they're great. They'll be great coming up till Halloween if I'm doing any like face painting or special effects. And you know, some of them are really like, for all the size that there, it's so much smaller than the Zoeva pencil brush, so it just goes right into your lash line. This light shimmer shade I'm going to on a Zoeva 231 just highlight my inner corner. Sort of like a pearlescent wee shade. So pretty. Next stage is my lashes. These are the Doll Beauty Lash in the style Chloe Elizabeth. They're so like fluttery and fluffy, but they're quite big compared to what I would normally wear, but I really like them, and I think I have a good lid depth for them as well, so we'll just go with it. As usual, I am going to use my black brush on duo glue. I absolutely love it. It sort of comes out navy, and then once it dries it's really black. It's great for using on clients as well because I don't have to sort of touch up eyeliner or anything. The only thing is I wouldn't recommend using it if you're not experienced in putting your own lashes on because you will get glue everywhere and it's black. I need to actually, while my glue is drying, talk about this highlight. Like, can you see this? This is the Ofra Beverly Hills highlighter. It's sort of like a wee colour wheel of highlight. And I just absolutely love it. Like, you can sort of mix and match the shades depending on how pale you are. Like today I'm wearing MAC NC10 Studio Fix, which is like pale AF, but I will put a wee bit of tan on tonight because I have an event tomorrow night. But I just think like this highlighter, I'm glowing from within today. Actually, before I put my lashes on I probably need to put some mascara on. Where is my head today? This is just the Soap and Glory Thick and Fast mascara. I absolutely love it. It has like longer bristles at one end to really separate the lashes at the start, and then you can go in with the other end for your second coat to sort of like thicken them up a wee bit. Because I'm putting lashes on obviously at the top, I don't really need to do that today.